Hello everyone. Today I will show you how we can secure a HTTP web page, or we can say HTTP over TLS or HTTP over SSL. If we see on a website or web page, we can see the web page. There is a lock, and this lock means the connection is secure, and there will be like there is some certificate and like details and certification path. And if there is no lock, the site is not that secure and the connection is not secure, and it will show http instead of https. And now how can we make a non-secure website to a secure website, or like a non-secure connection to a secure connection like https? And I'll show you that how can we make it. Before that, we will need some config file and the bat file. I'll provide in the video description. Uh, then let's do begin. Before that, we have to search jump, and we'll find the official website. Go to it go to it and we can download the latest version from for like Windows or Linux or macOS, for any operating system, and then we can install it. I have already installed jump in my website on my PC. Now I can open jump jump control panel. Now I can start Apache and start the MySQL. Now I have to make a local server. And how can we make a local server? I have to find out the where I install the jump. I usually, when we install any software, we usually install it in our local disk C, or local drive C, you can say. We can install any software in any other drives though, but I install the jump here in my local disk C, and here it is jump. We can find the jump in another way, like we can go to the jump control panel, and we can go to the explorer, and it will be here as well. Now for making a local server, we have to go to the Windows, search system32, search uh, drivers, go to the etc, and there is a host file. We have to open it. We can open it with any code editor or text editor. I'll open it with Visual Studio Code. I already set up or like make two website. Now I can make another website to show the tutorial. How can we do that? I can copy it. Let best. I can make a website with using my nickname tuhin.com. Uh, Save it. It is admin, and I am done. Now I can go to the website http. Uh, let's tuhin, right? Tuhin.com. See, the connection is not secure and there is no lock, and it is written in that your connection to this site is not secure and there is no certificate. Now we can make the site secure, and how can you do that? Let's see. We can go to jump, uh, then Apache, then we can make a new folder. We can rename it as SAR, then copy paste the two files we show here. SAR, done. Open crt.config file using VS Code. Now change the common name default to tuhin.com. Twin is my nickname, and now I can use it, changing the DNS one. Now save it and done. Now go to the folder again and make crt.bat, domain name tuhin.com, uh, bd Dhaka. We can skip the rest, and the certificate was provided. Press any key to continue. Let's continue. You can see a folder has been created, which is tuhin.com, and now there is a certificate and server key. Now we have to install the certificate. How can we install the certificate? Go to the certificate and install the certificate. Local machine. Next. Yes. Place all certificate in the following store. Trusted root certification authorities. Next. Finish. Yeah, it's done. Now we have to go to the jump again. Apache. Search config extra, and there is httpd jump.config file. We can open it with VS Code and see. Previously, as I make two website, now I have to make. I'll make another one. Let's check. We see that I'll give the file I tell in the beginning, and there is a file name server.txt. I have to open it, and I can copy here, paste, and I have to change the uh, we have to check the root document root. For me it is as I install in the my jump in the C drive, it will be the same as written here, so I don't have to change it. But if anyone install jump in other folders or other drive, they have to change it. So make sure we have to check it. Now I can change the server name, which is tuhin.com. Okay, undo it. Tuhin.com. Let's copy it and paste and do it here for the same. And here you can see the virtual host is 80 and the virtual host for it is 443, which is our ports number 80 and 443. Now we have to check the SSL certificate file path, and we actually make the folder SAR. We can go and see. There is the folder SAR, and there is a twin.com. So it will be like that, SAR twin.com. Paste. Yes, here. And there is the server.crt and server.key file. We can see that. And now save it and stop the Apache, stop the MySQL, restart it. Bingo, it is working. So go to the browser, write https and write tuhin.com, which is my nickname, and see, it is working and the secure is added. There is the connection is secure, and you can see a certificate issued by Tuhin, issued to Tuhin, and there is detail and hash algorithm and hash signature. We can see the path as well, and we are done. Thank you for being with me. Hope you enjoy the tutorial.